Decorate your mantel like a pro. Easy tips for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very specific but interesting phrase: decorate the mantel. Whether you're sprucing up your home for the holidays or just giving it a little makeover, understanding this phrase can add a lovely touch to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and turn your learning into a fun, decorative journey. Decorate the mantel refers to the act of adding decorative items to the mantelpiece, which is a shelf above a fireplace. The mantel is often the focal point of a room, especially in living rooms or family rooms with fireplaces. Decorating it can involve placing various items like photographs, candles, vases, or seasonal decorations to enhance the aesthetic appeal of the space. This phrase embodies both a literal and figurative enhancement of a space, making it a wonderful addition to your English expressions. Decoration plays a significant role in English-speaking cultures, especially during holidays and festivities. For instance, during Christmas, it's common to see mantels adorned with stockings, garlands, and lights. Understanding phrases like decorate the mantel not only helps you improve your language skills but also gives you insights into the cultural practices and traditions of English-speaking countries. It's a beautiful blend of learning language and culture together. 1. Start with a focal point. Choose a central item to focus your decoration around. This could be a large mirror, a piece of art, or a seasonal wreath. 2. Add layers. Place items of varying heights to create depth. Use items like candlesticks, vases, or picture frames. 3. Incorporate texture. Mix materials such as metal, wood, and fabric to add interest and warmth. 4. Seasonal touches. Depending on the time of year, add seasonal decorations to reflect the holiday or season. 5. Personalize. Include personal items like family photos or heirlooms to make the space uniquely yours. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the phrase, decorate the mantel, but also inspired you to experiment with your own decorative touches. Remember, learning English can be as creative and personal as decorating your own space. Keep practicing, and don't forget to share your learning journey with us. Until next time, happy decorating and happy learning.